Hey guys, what's going on? So we're back here with another episode of the RSX. We're gonna start calling it what, the RXK, maybe RXK build. We got Tommy Lee in the corner, Adam's friend Ian. So yeah, today we're just gonna pull the motor, take the trans off the motor, see what clutch we're working with, and just get on the engine stand. Maybe just take like the alternator off, all that fun stuff, and just go from there. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. It truly helps me out a lot. I watch a few people on YouTube, you know, with this whole K24 build, and you know, there's some little Honda tricks you do. So yeah, so it's you know, more talking or less talking, more work. Get this thing out. I mean, Tommy, the one that gave it to me.
Nervous.
Fuck it. We're gonna rip this thing apart. That's what we're gonna fucking do.
Rip this thing apart, and I want to try to at least get the motor out. Like I said, take the tranny off, put on the motor stand or the engine stand. We're gonna have to run somewhere and grab bolts because we don't have bolts. And I want to try to at least drop the subframe today, get that painted and stuff. But drop it down in the comments if you guys, you know, ever did this swap before. If there's any tips and tricks, whatever. So yeah, let's get started.
What are you doing over here?
20 seconds in.
20 seconds in. Connector's already broken.
20 seconds in. I have to leave now. So what do you think? We can just cut it, slice, put a new one in? What do you think?
New sensor.
New sensor?
New sensor. Just use the pick to dig this one out. Like that. It's quality though.
So right now, we got Adam taking off the Skunk 2 headers, full Skunk 2 exhaust. I'm gonna start taking off the front end so we can kind of just swing this baby right out of here. We're labeling everything, you know. First budget build on the channel, so we got everything labeled. We got a spare engine right here. The RBC manifolds, all the axles, another block. So we got some things going.
Chill out. All of them were the wrong sizes. There were 14s and then one 13. Come on now. What looks to be the old Hey. Cross-threaded? No. Engine, but a Honda. Previously, quick little Mazda fanboy for the Speed 3 guys.
Oh, yeah. You did do
Ian's engine and training. That thing was a headache. Not really. It wasn't bad.
baggies, label them. That's it. You know. Here's for the power steering, whatever, for the headers. And you ready to take off the headers?
Yeah. Headers are out.
Put the headers bolts right here.
I already dropped the bolt.
Oh, you're already dropping bolts over here. Fucking Adam. I tell this dude, clean and fucking nice. To drop the ball and there inside the valve.
Never clean and nice. Never. So look at that. Snap-on pliers. Look at that. Fucking right on the corner, baby.
So it is kind of a pain in the ass because we work at a dealership. So all our tools are, you know, at the dealership. So we kind of have to work what we have right now. I'm lucky. My buddy, that house we're at right now, he has some tools, and then I know he has a crazy DeWalt set tool. Amazon, baby, what should I, $200?
It was like $250 off Amazon. It's not sponsored. Not sponsored.
Unfortunately, if you want to sponsor me, sponsor me.
Yeah, if you want a to-go kit that's nice and has all 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, DeWalt, baby. 252 piece set.
It's actually not a bad deal. It's really not.
It's not.
So we're gonna keep on finishing this, getting the harness off. He's taking off the starter. Like harness bolt, whatever.
Yeah.
So how many sensors are broken? You said right now?
At least 3.
At least 3. So we're gonna have to figure out what those are. rewire them. I can't even talk. Rewire them, and that should be not that hard. But
yeah, count it up.
with the wiring, I suck at wiring. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm lucky. Tommy over here pretty much he did at what? At least 80% of it. I'm guessing.
Yeah, just about.
He did at least 70-80% of it. And yeah, that's it. So we'll see how far we can get with this stuff. But right now I'm just taking off the clips, or should I say,
Get in there. Little tabs.
taking off the tabs for the harness. Probably gonna be fun remembering how this harness goes, but it's all good. You think we have to take the harness all the way off, like, or you think we can leave it dangling?
We can leave it dangling.
You think?
Because we can disconnect it from right here, and then
Cool. So
put this, just pry that off.
So right now what we're gonna do is we got the hoist set up. We're gonna take it out by one of the. Don't judge us, you know.
We're just gonna see if it fits.
Yeah, we're gonna see if it fits first.
But like the whole entire thing is that I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not gonna work because
What's not gonna work?
doing it by here, because we gotta take the tranny off when it's hooked up to the to the hoist.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. You're
I
right.
don't even know why. I'm telling you, starter
not gonna
bolt,
work, yeah.
starter bolt. Take out the starter.
You think that's strong enough though for all that?
The starter? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a beefy bolt.
Actually, no, not even the
See?
starter. Actually,
Jesus.
no, because that goes into
Jesus.
the tranny too. No, that goes into the tranny too. Fuck. What am I? Yeah, because it goes through into the bell housing. That's. I can't even think right.
I mean, we're gonna get it out, but drop it down in the comments
We just
what
gotta think
you
of
guys
where
do
we're
to get
gonna
it
hook it
out
up
to
to.
where it's a good spot to hook it up. So let's find out what we're gonna hook it up to. You see what I'm talking about? I ain't playing with you all Honda. Alright, so quickie, mate. We got some chickens over here, mate. So
This is our minute break.
it's our minute break very fast. I want to see if I can, catch a chicken. See what I eat all the time. Chicken cutlet's the best. Shout out to you, wife. Oh yeah, you're not catching them. They're gonna run into the woods. I don't want them to run.
Nah, they won't.
Where they just run back.
I mean, if they do, they'll come back. They're trained. Stop playing.
they're really trained like
Yeah.
that.
Or just let them get eaten. Who cares?
No, that's.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Bro, it's crazy.
Damn, there's so much sun out here.
I'm scared to pick them up.
Bro, you gotta pick them up like the Hispanics do.
You don't pick them up by their neck.
Nah, you gotta boom, grab that motherfucker.
This dude's growling at me.
You pop smoke. Grab it, grab it, grab it. You won't.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Like,
Bro, why
see
you
the
gotta be
beaks on
scared?
those things? Dude, I'm just scared.
He's not gonna attack
I
you,
just
bro.
feel bad kind of because like it's what I eat. Like I love the chicken. You know?
Bro, look how much
Drop it down in the
sun.
comments if you guys like chicken.
You just drop it.
On the bottom. Oh, that was coming down at me.
That's fine. I have to put some pliers on that. That's fine.
Yeah, you just.
Alright, so we going to see baby chickens
I
right
got
now
the
or what?
What you got?
Well, let's go see the baby chicks real fast.
Baby chickens. You think I can pet them?
Yeah.
Baby chicks.
Do they bite?
No. Your chicks don't bite, bro.
Yeah, I just don't get how they're trained. Like, are they in the thing right now, or are they in the woods?
Probably not. They're probably in the woods, but they'll either come back or they'll get eaten. So it's their choice.
That's crazy. So you just go in there?
Bro, you know, fucking
I
my
don't want to
uncle
be
did.
disrespectful to grandma mama.
Bro, just go in.
Are they gonna attack me?
No.
When?
Are they chicks or?
Hey, yo.
Adam, pick one up. Come on.
Nah.
I'll pick one up. I got you.
Here, hold on. Hold this.
Oh my god, there's a lot of them.
Go over here. No. You gotta.
I'm scared, like I'm scared. He probably thinks he's gonna be eaten. Can I hold him? I'm scared.
Does he bite?
No.
I swear they bite,
Bro,
dog.
this is actually the softest thing ever.
Dude, they're
Feel
so
it.
soft. Oh yeah.
Because they're baby chicks.
My girlfriend's got a bunch of them right now.
Oh.
They'll try to go out there for huh?
Alright, that's enough for baby chick time.
That's
We'll come out here and just close the door.
Like I'm scared. You really go back there like that. That's all I want to do. That thing talks. That shit sounds like my stomach when I'm hungry. Alright, let's get this motor out.
Alright, we're getting this motor out. Let's go. We'll shot. It's not out.
There you go. It's good now.
Yeah, it's out. It is out.
What do you mean it's out?
It's out, bro.
It's out. Let's go. Oh my god. Dude, that thing is muffed.
Dude,
Jesus.
that's nothing a little bit of thread cleaner can't fix. Yo, just throw some brake clean down in the hole, call it a day.
Oh my god.
Somebody did not use anything remotely
Yeah.
related to pregnancies.
We're going real good. One viewer.
Can you jack it up a little?
Come up.
Yeah.
Go up a tad bit. I don't know what I'm stuck on. What is rolling in the head?
You're fine.
Oh, my fingers gonna pinch up in there.
For support and just drop the subframe.
What happened if you drop it down? Drop this down. Drop the motor. Alright, we're just sitting on this stuff right now, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna get that ball out with that fucking.
Can't be a Chevy. I forgot to tell you, I was on my way home from airsofting. Yeah, from
From Mexico.
I was in Mexico on my way home from Mexico, and there was this BMW, no headlight, no front bumper, huge front mount. So he comes up behind me, and I'm already cruising fast.
Okay.
He comes up behind me on my ass. I'm like, okay, cool. So I go past an 18-wheeler, get into the right lane. Guy pulls up. His passenger, some dude goes, yo, let's do a 40 roll. All right, I'm not a big fan of 40 rolls because in second gear at 40, I'm at like 2300.
Yeah, and then you like.
Yeah. So I want to go down to first because my power band just isn't there.
Well, you just got weird switching gears.
Yeah, I really do. And so 40 roll. 1, 2, 3. I heard the fucking car spool up, dude. What happened, dog? I'm beaten by a car and a half on a 40 roll. Second gear, flat foot shifted into third, flat foot shifted into fourth. Dogged fourth out, dude. Maxed it out. I was like, I don't know, 150 in Mexico. And so I start slowing down. The other guy starts slowing down. Now he wants to do a 60 roll. That's even better. He didn't learn on a 40 roll.
You're still second.
Now, I'm still second gear on a 60. Now I'm in my power band just at the start at like 4,000. Like, okay. Flat foot shifted all the way into third. Flat foot shifted into fourth. Started pedaling him in fourth. I'm an asshole, but come on.
Yeah, you don't have enough gearing in your car. I have too much.
Yeah.
I think like fourth gear pops out like 100 miles an hour.
hold this one like that.
It's fun.
Right there. So, yeah, take a picture, tell Charlie 2K.
Can I get that 17?
Now you can level it.
Well, before we do level it, let's go down.
Go that way.
Out.
Or out.
I hope we have enough room.
Then we can level it. If anything, we can go high and then
Yeah, we can get it up higher.
do that. We did it. Through the.
And then fucking put a lift in here.
Unless we have like a tire or something, just place it on the tire.
Guys, I'm spare tire right over there.
Yeah, that's fucking level the hell. Check that shit out. This guy's swinging the diff.
You guys are recording.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh! You guys are recording.
yeah, I think from here we can swing.
Swing it over here, maybe. There's a little bit more room over here, right?
I'm not gonna clear this out. The door first.
Okay, we gotta get the. Oh shit! Something down.
You're good, you're good.
Yeah, you.
garage door up there.
Are you good?
Whoa! Get down. All of us literally went. Whoa!
Hold on.
You're catching the garbage now.
Jack stand.
Jack stand.
I meant to say Jack. Whatever. Alright guys, this is it for this video. It's a little long one, but we managed to get the motor out on the stands. You know, all of us have some stuff to do, so we're just going to get out of here, finish up, and thank you for tuning in, checking in with us, and yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment, put, you know, if you know anything about K24s, what do you have in your, what do you have your K24 in, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.